Welcome to Southern Valley Fruit and Vegetable. We're in Norman Park, Georgia. We're a year-round vegetable growing operation where we grow, pack, and ship and sell fresh fruits and vegetables. Glad to have y'all with us.
Kent Hamilton is CEO of Southern Valley Fruit and Vegetable Incorporated, based in Norman Park. It was founded in 1987 and is a woman-owned and family-operated corporation that spent generations growing, packing, and shipping fresh produce.
Here in the greenhouses, we grow our transplants that we take out in the field to plant in the plastic beds. We grow the transplants for Georgia for the spring and for the fall season. And then we grow plants for South Florida where we harvest during the winter time. And we also grow plants for the Tennessee operation where we harvest through the summertime. It takes 5 to 6 weeks normally from seed until the transplant's ready to take out to the field. We want a relatively hardy plant, a plant that'll take some adversity and some heat, but we don't want it so hard that it takes it a long time to take a hold and get started once we put it in the field.
Southern Valley has navigated its share of obstacles over the last 4 decades, from labor shortages to crop diseases to H-2A program challenges. The farm currently hires 750 H-2A seasonal workers in Georgia, 200 in Tennessee, 150 in Florida, and 800 in Mexico. Kent said, strong leadership has been essential in overcoming these challenges.
Here, this line behind me is a cucumber line. We pack cucumbers on it, prepare them to be palletized and pre-cooled. Also here at this facility, we saw sweet corn, pack it in trays and overwrap it with cellophane. We package squash several different ways. We bag hot pepper, pack eggplant, pack cabbage, all the different items that we handle. We package in this facility and run them through the coolers to be pre-cooled, ready for shipment.
The Hamiltons are active members of Heritage Church in Moultrie. With grandkids in tow, they enjoy leisure time at their place on the St. Marks River below Tallahassee, where they go swimming, fishing, and scalloping. Kent Hamilton was nominated Georgia Farmer of the Year by Jeremy Kitchler, County Extension Coordinator of Colquitt County. So congratulations to Kent Hamilton, Georgia finalist for the Sunbelt Expo Southeastern Farmer of the Year.